Welcome back to the Sneaky Chef Kitchen. That is quinoa. Today we are making a quinoa bread. I soaked them overnight, and that I'm adding a meal flaxseed for extra touch of fiber omega-3, and that is pumpkin seeds. Add everything together and blend them. Quinoa is a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids. This is one of the plants that contain complete essential amino proteins, and this is a plus for vegetarians and vegans. So blend them. Now I'm adding some eggs, about 4 eggs into that. We all know eggs are proteinous as well, so I'm going to add that is a touch of honey. You can use sugar if you want. Then I add salt, a spoon. To taste. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking powder, and continue to whisk and whisk all together. So quinoa also supports hormonal balance. It's rich in nutrients such as vitamin B, magnesium, which play a vital role in regulating hormonal balance. Now I pour them into my bread pan. I've already put a touch of oil on them so that it will be non-stick. It's also good, quinoa is also good for bone health because it's rich with calcium and magnesium. Those add to the density of our bone, and it's especially good in menopause, where there is risk of osteoporosis. It's good for heart health, combination of healthy fat for cardiovascular health. So I think we'll return to quinoa once again to learn about the benefit of it. But today, let's enjoy our bread. Look at the bread. Wow. Oh my God. You will love it. Try to bake it and see how it comes out. You will enjoy it. Now take a bite and enjoy. Look at it. Oh my God. Healthy. Healthy fat, proteins, and all mineral combined. Healthy bread. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.